the fire that burns the one who holds it. You feel wronged, betrayed, they hurt you and walked away. So your mind replays it, rehearses a comeback, imagines justice. That's revenge, a fantasy that poisons the present. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injustice." Revenge feels like power, but it's dependence on their downfall for your peace. In part 2, we'll break down why revenge obsesses the mind and how Stoicism frees you. Why revenge feels powerful, but makes you powerless. When you obsess over revenge, your energy stays stuck in the past. You stop leading your life and start orbiting theirs. Seneca warned, "He who seeks revenge should remember to dig 2 graves. You suffer twice, once from their action, then again from your fixation." In part 3, we'll introduce the Stoic breakaway method to reclaim your mind and emotional sovereignty. The Stoic breakaway method. 1. Accept the harm without idealizing justice. What happened was wrong, but it no longer owns me. 2. Cut the narrative loop. When the mind replays the pain, say, "This is past, I live now." 3. Reframe revenge as a distraction. Every moment spent on revenge delays my growth. 4. Redirect energy to self-expansion. The best revenge is rebuilding so powerfully that I forget they existed. In part 4, we embed these steps into daily rituals that remove emotional hooks. Daily practice for mental liberation. Morning affirmation. Say, "I rise above the story. I rise into strength." Midday thought. Cleanse. If intrusive thoughts appear, this moment is mine, not theirs. Breathe. Reset. Evening self-restoration journal. Write. Where did the memory try to pull me today? How did I choose power instead? Your peace grows in the space where you let pain pass. The 3-day freedom from revenge. Challenge for 3 days. 1. Notice when revenge thoughts appear. 2. Apply the Stoic breakaway method. 3. Reflect. Did I stay stuck or did I set myself free? Drop the word "free" in the comments. Subscribe if you're ready to stop obsessing over them and start focusing on you. You win when you walk away. They don't have to pay. You don't have to punish. You don't have to wait for karma. You just walk. You just grow. You just move forward faster than they could ever catch. That's not weakness. That's transcendence. You are no longer anchored to the offense. You are no longer fueled by old fires. You are untouchable, unshaken, uninterested in revenge, because now you have better things to build, better ways to lead, and a life that leaves revenge behind. That's Stoic freedom. That's your path now.